doesn't just move through India. It moves from India to the world.
What's up, guys? Nissan just pulled the wraps off an all-new C-SUV at its world premiere in India, and it's called the Nissan Tekton. This isn't just a minor update, it is a massive milestone for Nissan's transformation and growth strategy across India, the Middle East, and Africa. Developed in partnership with Renault and built on the Alliance CMF-B platform, the Tekton is manufactured at the Chennai plant. Nissan has big plans for this model, using India as a strategic export hub to ship the vehicle to 50 global markets across the AMEIO region. When it comes to design, the Tekton draws heavy inspiration from the legendary Nissan Patrol, giving it a bold, confident road presence and commanding proportions. Inside the spacious cabin, Nissan focused on everyday premium comfort and practicality, equipping it with a panoramic sunroof, ventilated front seats, dual-zone climate control, generous storage solutions, and a large luggage compartment. On the tech side, it features a complete digital cockpit experience with Google built in, meaning Google Maps, Google Assistant, and Google Play are all natively integrated alongside connected services to make driving smarter and more intuitive. Under the hood, you get a choice of turbocharged petrol engines designed to balance performance and efficiency. This includes a 1.0-liter turbo petrol and a stronger 1.3-liter turbo petrol that delivers up to 163 PS and 280 Nm of torque. Safety is also a core pillar for the Tekton, which is built on a reinforced structure, packs 6 airbags, and features an advanced suite of driver assistance technologies like adaptive cruise control, autonomous emergency braking, lane keep assist, and blind spot warning. What do you guys think of the styling and specs on the new Tekton? Drop a comment below.